Annual percentage rates, APRs, is a percentage rate that represents the yearly interest on a loan. It may sound like a good number to be using when evaluating a loan, but no, APRs are based on simple interest and do not account for the compounding interest over the years. It is essentially useless, unless the loan is compounded only once a year. When calculating how much a loan will cost in interest, we should calculate the effective annual rate, the EARs. EARs take into account compounding interest over the year. APRs and AERs are not equal for any rate compounded more than annually. For example, if Bank A offers a 12% rate compounded annually, there is no compounding done during the year, and the APR and EAR is the same, both at 12%. However, if Bank B offers a 12% rate compounded semi-annually, 2 times a year, then the EAR will differ, but the APR will still stay the same at 12%. At a 12% rate compounded semi-annually, this means that it will cost us 12% divided by 2, or 6% every 6 months. We divide the rate by 2 because the rate is compounded twice, semi-annually. The loan will be compounded at 6% every 6 months. Say we borrow $1 from Bank B. At the end of the first 6 months, we will be accumulating interest at 6%. We now have $1.06 to repay. At the end of the year, we will be charged another 6% on top of this. 1.1236 is the final amount that we will have to pay back in interest. Now, 12.36% is the EAR, and what we actually pay in interest. This number is greater than the 12%, the APR. We pay this 0.36% premium because of the compounding effect. Now, because of government legislation, the banks must disclose the annual percentage rates on virtually all consumer loans. Ironically, this means that legislation forces banks and other lenders to report a rate that does not reflect the actual cost of borrowing money. So next time you take out a loan, watch out for the APR and try to search for the EAR. It will give you a clear picture of how much you actually have to pay in interest.